crossfade. I'm going to drop it in between my image. So this is what's going to happen.
Also be incorporated in design related to fashion.
Right? Okay, so you can literally edit it as you go, along.
In print media as well as digital media, visual organization can also be incorporated in design related to fashion, space, architecture, art.
Okay. Now, so we do have, if you notice that I have the workflow here, insert transition, insert, you just follow that. But as we go along, it's basically following this flow. But I'm just gonna.
Dr. Mayu, there's a question.
Yes.
Somebody cannot add the transition. So can you show it again?
No, okay. Sure, I can show it again. So now the transition, it can be deleted as well. So let's say, because I want to show it again, correct? So I can delete my transition. So I can click on my transition and delete it. Okay, so let's say if I want the transition, I go back and click the transition button on your left side of the tools, and then you just click one of the transition, right? And then you just drag and drop it like that. Right? So I'm going to do this again. So you get the transition, you click on the transition button over here, choose any one of the transition by clicking it and dragging it and dropping it in between the images.
Dr. Mayu, is there a what we call undo button?
Oh, okay. There is no undo button, but what you can do is that you can just click anywhere and then you can just click delete. You click the delete on your desktop itu. Can you do that? Like for example, if I do not want it to be this way, I'll just click it and then I'll just delete it, right? And then you probably notice once you delete the picture, the transition will be deleted along with that particular picture. Or if you just want to delete the transition alone, you can just click on the transition and click on delete. Okay, you can even set your transition to 1-2 seconds or how many seconds you want. But usually, transition, we only use 1 second transitions here, maximum 3 second transition. But 3 seconds is too long, so you do not want to do that. Okay, do we have the problem? Oh shit! Oh sorry. I am cursing my live stream. Okay, I'm just gonna click add to the timeline.
Mayu.
Click my transition. Click and drop. Okay.
Dr. Mayu.
Yes.
Me.
Yes.
Okay. I tried just now putting the video and then 2 still pictures. But using transition. However, if I want to add 1 more picture, tak boleh.
Okay. Now, can you show us your screen? You can click on. You scroll down. You can see that you are presenting, or click your and then click your presenting, and then we can see your screen. Okay.
Okay.
Sure. Orang akan nampak review.
Alright.
Tak ada letak transition.
Okay, you want to show your screen. How? Click more option and then guna apa tu? Guna present apa site? Apa site pula? Present your screen.
Hold on.
Where's your screen?
Nak bagi orang nampak.
Dr. Masila, we can see the screen now. I think you can
Okay.
just show the ClipChamp tab.
Which one?
This the
This
next.
one, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, all right.
Okay. Now, the question is.
I wanted to add, let's say I want to add this here. Tak boleh.
Okay. Now, what you can do is you grab the one that is highlighting now, the black one, not that one, the one that's currently highlighting. You make sure there is no space in between. So what you can do is that you can click it, and then click it. You drag it near to the edge of the previous material. You can just drag it. Just drag it.
Okay.
Okay. Drag it again until there's no gap. So, yes, like that. All right. Now, what you can do is you can take the crossfade. Okay, drag it and just put it here, the transition in between. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
No, it's not appearing because
Not
there is
appearing.
no
Okay, hold on.
okay, just drag and put it here. Okay.
I see.
So
All
now
right.
you can use the space bar. Go back a little bit, few seconds. You just drag your space bar, your timeline to the white timeline. You just drag it, or you can just you can drag it over onto your left side, and then a little bit more on your left side, and then you can see the transition. Okay. Pasal apa tiba-tiba freeze? Hang ni. Aku kerja hang. Hello?
I punya pun hang.
You punya pun hang? What just happened?
I think Dr. Masila punya computer hang kot.
Itulah internet connection, I think.
Oh, okay.
Right, so Dr. Mayu boleh continue presenting.
I would present back.
Ya, continue je.
Okay, so I would share again. Okay, so now everybody can see my screen, right? I think
Yes.
so. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. So now I'm going back to my ClipChamp. Right? Now, so currently, I'm going to do a little bit of editing. So I'm going to just drag my fashion picture here, because if we listen to the dialogue.
Related to fashion, space.
Okay, so I am going to go back to my media and just find a now room design. Okay, and add it here. I'm going to edit it a little bit as well. Okay, use my transition. Drag it, put it in between.
Fashion, space, architecture.
Okay, and so on and so forth. I'm going to get my building image. Okay, and I'm again going back to my transition. Take my crossfade and put it back here. Okay.
Design related to fashion, space, architecture.
Okay, again, delete it. Now, it's a little bit cumbersome because you have to always listen back to the sound clip itu, so that you know what is happening. So you can add in etc.
etc.
Right. So now let's drag on our third clip. Now let's go and find our third clip. This is our third clip. I'm gonna add my third clip here.